Hi guys, so I was sitting at my desk wondering what I should paint next, and then this turned up. Yep, those lovely people over at Wizkids sent me an adult bronze dragon, and as you can see this one's unpainted, which is awesome. So I do already have a couple of dragons, because obviously if you're going to play Dungeons and Dragons you need, well, a dragon. But this one is by far the biggest one, and as you'll soon see, definitely the most detailed. I was a bit impatient, I wanted to get into this thing as soon as, and I kind of didn't notice there's also sellotape surrounding the packaging, which is why I had a little struggle to begin with. And don't forget, some of the footage I show on here is speeded up, so it did take me a little while to get the sucker out. And yeah, look at it, it is absolutely gorgeous. Tons of definition, quite a scary looking beast here. Yeah, love it. Nice big wingspan, and definitely claws and a mouth you wouldn't want to get too near. So I was going to start off, obviously this is a bronze dragon, so obviously I was going to paint it kind of bronze. I had some spray paint left over, but I didn't have much, as in I barely got any out. So obviously I gave it a spray of sort of bronze spray, and then I had some silver spray which I put over the top as well. And as you can see, good old speed paints from Army Painter. I love using these, especially this case. It works really well, because obviously you put the paint over, and because it is pretty translucent, it becomes a sort of a metallic looking colour, which is really cool. So I'm definitely going to experiment more with the speed paints, with different kind of colours underneath. And as I say, this one works really well, because it still has a shine to it, or shininess to it. So yeah, even using this is a dark grey speed paint, but when it dries it still looks like a shiny grey paint, which is pretty awesome. So in the end I used 3 different speed paints on this. I used an orange for his chest, the grey for the wings, and then went over with a yellow, which again really came out very well, because it makes him look more golden and sort of bronze like. So yeah, the yellow worked really well on what I wanted it to do basically. So yeah, basically went over the whole thing. I mean, it kind of looks like a bit of a goldfish here, so that would work really well. If I want to do a goldfish, I think I would do can't even talk now, shiny silver, and then go over it with the yellow speed paint, and I'd have a perfect looking goldfish. So yeah, obviously it looks really good, but obviously it looks too sort of clean, pristine. So good old another wash going over the top. As you guys know, love washes, best thing ever. And yeah, I used a nice sort of dark black wash this time. With most of my figures I like to use the sort of the brown wash, because it sort of just dirties them up nicely. But for this one I really want him to have like quite a contrast, and have obviously more black in between all the scales. So yeah, went over with the wash. As usual, I probably put too much wash on, but again, everyone's got different tastes, and I do like things that are quite contrasty, just because it makes them look a bit more realistic, a bit more weathered. And yeah, again, this guy came out looking really good. Very simple paint job as always, my usual sort of thing, block colours, washes, and then I'm doing a bit of dry brushing, just because I wanted to sort of finish him off, make him look as good as I could. Okay, now let's show some glamour shots. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I just want to say a quick shout out and thank you to all my patrons, as well as the sponsors, for helping making it possible for me to sort of keep making these videos, and obviously buying the materials I need to build stuff. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Leave comments down below, hit the like button, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, take care, bye for now.